Well, fuel costs have just reached $3 per litre, and I'm going to have to do something about it. So I'm about to dip my toe into the world of electric bicycles for the first time. Now, this is deep storage. This is my shipping container, and all my cool stuff that I don't use much gets kept in here. And I know that I've got 3 bicycles down the back, and I'm just going to have a look at them and get, oh, helmets, and fishing rods, and camping gear, and oh, that outboard, oh, aeroplanes. Yeah, this is where I put all my stuff. Right, these bicycles, they're all over 10 years old. They're all a bit crusty, and I'm looking at possibly putting an e-bike kit onto one of these, or going out and buying myself a budget e-bike, bottom of the range, for around $2,000. I really don't know what I'm looking at, so I spent an evening on YouTube, learnt a little bit about the different types of motor and battery sizes and frame styles. And then I hit Trade Me, our New Zealand version of Craigslist or AliExpress or whatever. And I had a look at the different types of bike that were available in my price range, right down in the bargain basement. There were fold-up bikes, there were kits that you could fit to your own bike that were hub drive motors, then there was the mid-drive motors, there were second-hand ones that people had converted themselves and then decided to sell them on the second-hand market. So I thought that you, the beautiful and loving 60,000 subscribers that I've collected, I thought you could possibly advise me as to what I should be doing. Now, you know that I like to carry a bit of stuff around. I'm a bit practical. I need to be able to put panniers and carriers on this thing to make things happen. It's not just for riding up and down Echo Beach on, you know. So if all you good people out there could drop your comments down below as to what kind of bike you think I should get, I would really appreciate it. Most of these bikes have a 350 watt motor, which I know, I've ridden one of those. It's not particularly startling, and I weigh 90 kg, so I'd like something with a little bit more than 350 watts, and I'd like a decent sized battery. Tell me, what is a decent sized battery? I'm thinking something around 15 amp hours would get the job done, but 20 amp hours would be even better. Do I spend the $2,000 on a motor and battery kit and repower one of my own old bikes? Or do I spend the same amount of money on something brand new and fabulous? The grey one, the Coswheel, that's got a 500 watt motor and a 20 amp hour battery, so it seems to be the best value for money. With fuel at $3 a litre, I'm going to be spending $200 a week on running costs, so this thing, whatever I buy, would pay for itself in 10 weeks. So give me your thoughts on this, and let's see if we can get tiny house and off-grid resources deep into carbon negativity.